Alright, welcome back. Good news for Sunday Igboho as OPC leader finally supports Yoruba agitation, sends message to politicians. Alright, the news in details. This is a good news to some of the Yoruba people who have been looking for ways to get the support of top Nigerian leader to support their agitation. It has not been easy for the Yoruba protesters, but they do not want to give up or stop protesting and then asking for a Yoruba nation because they feel that is the only thing they need right now. Alright, meanwhile, Sunday Igboho and his men have been doing their best to get the attention of some strong men in the country by looking for a way to make the top leader make a public statement in support of the Yoruba protesters. But today we received a good news, and such news has to do with the future of the Yoruba nation and the fate of Sunday Igboho. Designed with you in mind, build your wealth. Alright, and then meanwhile, in today's news, it was revealed that a well-known and very respected man has shown his support for the Yoruba nation. He made this statement earlier today by saying that those who do not want the existence of Yoruba nation are not good people or well-wishers of the country. Alright, and then meanwhile, he said that some politicians have been looking for ways to frustrate the Yoruba protest due to their interest in politics. He said he has seen what many Southwest politicians are trying to do by speaking against the protesters. He even said that the wishes of some of the Southwest politicians does not represent the interest of the Yoruba protesters, and they would never surrender or allow themselves to be silenced by the current administration. Gani Adams said that he is very disappointed in some politicians due to the banter in which they have attended to the issue of the Yoruba Republic. Alright, and then meanwhile, Gani Adams said that the spirit of those who are in support of Yoruba nation will be prayed for and they would be supported in every way. He said that he is disappointed in Tinubu and other Southwest politicians who has decided not to pay attention to the problem on ground by supporting the move for a new republic, which the Yoruba people are going to stay in peace. Alright, and then meanwhile, Gani Adams condemns Southwest politicians, says the Southwest politicians are unfaithful and insincere. Alright, and then onto this one, a lot of things are actually being said. Well, because before now, majority of people have been of the opinion that Gani Adams are not been supportive of the Oduduwa Republic. Well, and then onto this one we have right now. Well, I think it will definitely get to a stage whereby these people need to come together and understand what they are embarking on. All right, and then meanwhile, it has been said that Gani Adams, the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, has said people of the Yoruba extractions are ready to die in the push to actualize Oduduwa Republic. Gani Adams, the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, has said people of the Yoruba extraction are ready to die in the push to actualize this Oduduwa Republic. Meanwhile, Adams said some people of the Southwest are determined to pursue Oduduwa Republic. Speaking in Lagos yesterday, the former Odua People's Congress OPC leader said the Southwest reserves the legitimate right to struggle for Oduduwa Republic. Adams also lamented that the struggle has been hijacked by top politicians in the region. He said it is unfortunate that some people are determined to weaken the spirit of the agitators. Unfolding events in the last few weeks have shown that some prominent politicians have hijacked the struggle for the actualization of the Oodua Republic. It is an attempt to distract us from the true and an original intention of the struggle. But I want to say it there. I want to say it here that the struggle to seek a new nation is the legitimate right that we are determined to live and die for, and we wouldn't waver in our belief and then determination to liberate our race. All right, and then comparing what has been said so far, you can imagine what is going on right now. Well, it has been said good news for Sunday. Igboho, as OPC leader, finally supports Yoruba agitation and sends message to politicians on this. Well, he has said that the politicians are our problems in this country, that most of the politicians, because of that thing they want to eat, because of that small peanut they are getting for the federal government, they have decided to keep mute, which will not help the race. All right, and the majority of things are actually being said. Well, the truth of the matter is everyone wants a better life, and then if not for insecurity in the country, I am very sure there wouldn't be any cause to say you want to get another nation. And then this set of people, they have complained times without number. But now, when you put someone to the wall, definitely the person will react. So that is what we are seeing right now. And then the Yorubas, the Southwesterners, have reacted that no more, we can't remain like this, we must move. Yes, we must move to the promised land. That is what majority of them are talking about, that we need to move to the promised land. So Pharaoh, let my people go. Yes, they have been saying that come 2023, there won't be any kind of election. Either they like it or not. If you like, keep campaigning, that you are just wasting your money. That's serious, my people. Well, our prayer is that the good Lord will continue to protect us all, and that the good Lord will continue to arrest every enemy of our soul, either they like it or not. Well, majority of things are actually being said. Well, the truth of the matter is everyone needs to pray for each other so that peace will reign. All right, according to the Odudua, they have made up their minds that no going back. Odudua will move. Hashtag Oduduwa Republic now. That is what is trending. All right, my people, and then that has been it on this one. Meanwhile, let me have your take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks, and God bless.